Hello everyone, this is William for Found in Japan, and recently I made a video about a slow day for me. I went to a grocery store, I just chilled and relaxed and walked around, and today is not that day. I'm gonna show you what it's like as a crazy Saturday in Japan. So first, I gotta take my daughter to Juku, which is like cram school, and she wants to go. She doesn't need to go, but she likes it, so that's good. And then I gotta take my son to basketball. I gotta pick them up. I gotta take another daughter to swimming, and then we got another basketball thing, and then we're gonna go shopping. So you'll see. So just stick with us and see what it's like. Let's go. All right, so basketball drop-off done, Juku drop-off is done. Now it's time to get back to the house to get some other stuff done before we gotta leave again. Driving in Japan and getting your driver's license. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to get that made soon. Tadaima! Futons are up. Now it's time to do the second load of laundry. Alright, so that's the second load of laundry done. My wife just took my daughter to swimming, and I just want to show you, it's a really beautiful day outside. It's about 8 degrees Celsius. And look at that, we just have a beautiful day today. Sun is shining. Lake looks great. Actually, a friend of mine, a little bit of Japan, is out snowing in out snowboarding out in North Hyogo-ken today. If you're interested in seeing that, you should definitely check that stream out. Now inside to finish cleaning, because in 45 minutes we gotta leave again. Let's go. All right, so the next thing we got to do today is take out the trash, and I'm lucky because my building has an actual trash machine. Not all houses in Japan do. If you live in an urban area, you might actually have to take the trash out like a certain day of the week and pay for the service, but we don't have to do that, so I'm going to do it while I get rid of the recycling. Every week on Tuesday or something, they pick up trash. A dump truck / trash truck comes and gets everything. So we don't have to get rid of it. Every 2 weeks, my building has this paper collection. It's books, and actually they collect clothes and whatnot. Here's a bunch of textbooks that are going, but it's really nice that we have a way to get rid of this stuff. Over New Year's, I saw somebody had cleaned out their house, and there was a bunch of looked like trading cards or Pokemon cards, and I wonder if the person they belonged to knew that they were getting thrown away or not. But the next thing to do is get rid of cardboard, which is also called danbo in Japan. So I'm gonna have to make another load of this because it's big, but at the same time, my building has some recycling area, and we can put cardboard. And this is still early in the morning, and this is only 2 weeks of cardboard for the whole place. This is kantopin. Glass recycling, PET bottles, plastic, and over here is aluminum cans, and a company will come and pick these up. Back up one more time. All right, last load. Here we go. Let's see if we can't stack these somewhere where they're not gonna fall over. Oh, my hands are cold. So it's 11:30, and I think it's 11:30. It's 11:30. My wife is picking up my daughter from the pool. We're about to go to basketball and get my daughter from Juku, and then go to a different basketball thing. But on the way, we're gonna stop and get some food. And then I think we're going shopping. So I just want to say thank you if you made it this far, and yeah, here we go. We're about to pick up my daughter from Juku, or the cram school. We're gonna stop at Life and get some snacks and lunch so we can go to basketball and shopping. Let's get in there and see what they got. Best soap in Japan, right here. Classic. So it's just a little bit of low clearance. Something you just have to worry about if you're tall in Japan. Shoe bots! This is the Ohama Taikukan, and over here is where the gym used to be, and way over there is the new full-size like stadium. And this right here is a really cool building. This is actually like a sumo amphitheater, and my son came here one time and actually participated in an open event, and we practiced. It was a lot of fun. Whenever there's events and stuff here, you can practice. Actually, this says the Ohama Sumojo practice place. And it looks like, here's the page for the second event. Yeah, so sumo alive and well here at Ohama. My son is dropped off, and now we're off to IKEA. Let's go. This, no lie, might be the easiest it's ever been to get into IKEA. Automated alcohol. Never been to IKEA in the United States, only in Japan, but I figured they're pretty much the same. And what they have, just all the sales stuff is written in Japanese. Ziploc bags, the best ever. Everything in Japanese. I have never seen a house in Japan look at anything like this. I'm pretty sure nobody actually does this. Here's what I came for. Work area. I need a new desk. So there was no desk that is 120 centimeters by 80. Even in the dining room section, I could not find a table that fit. I preferably would like a 130 by 70, but I might just have to make a table. Gotta finish IKEA with ice cream. So they didn't have the desk I needed, which kind of sucks. But it's about 4 o'clock right now, and just found out my son won 2 of his basketball games, and so he and his buddies are gonna go home together, and I don't gotta pick him up. So the rush has been released some, but I still gotta get home before he gets back. So let's get in the car and drive back to South Osaka. We just got back from IKEA and it's right now, I think 5:30, but it's already has a beautiful sunset and the moon is out. And from now, my son is gonna come back and we're gonna ask him what he wants to do to go out to eat. I think he's gonna say yakiniku, which means grilled meat. And we'll either do that or we're going to go have kaiten sushi, which is the rotating sushi. So that'll be up next. But first, let's take a look at the moon and this wonderful sunset. Man, that moon is full. We can leave. I want to wash the tub so they'll be done when we get back because it is cold outside. My son just came back and it is actually 6:50, which means that there is no way we can get to a family style restaurant and get a table before 9. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store real quick, so let's go get some stuff. He said he wanted something fried, probably gesso, which is like fried squid, octopus, and we'll get that for him and then we'll heat it up and I'll have dinner. So to the grocery store. Alright, I think this is everything. I think I got everything that I was told to get. So let's get home and get cooking. Karage and miso into the air fryer. All right, so we have karage, we have gesso, tofu, kimchi, salad, white rice, and pork with napa cabbage, like a Chinese flavor. We're gonna have dinner. Thanks for joining us today. I hope to find you in another video for things that can be found in Japan. Mata ne.